More gravel. Tree stump gone. New flower bed. They've been compacting. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, yeah. Solid. Huh? Oh, yeah. Looking good. Looking real good. Yeah, it's okay. So back to what I was saying. So you want to put your horn tweeter in there so that it can make the clearance of the arm. So done with a hole saw. So pretty much take the pin, use the ring, swing it. Clears right there. Put a dot where you want it to go. Hit it with the guide hole. Let me see something. Take this from here. Like that. There, that's that. Come in with this here. Make sure you run it straight. We don't need is a wobbly hole. Right there. So from there, get it close to the end. Bam, we're out of there. So while it's still in the molten stage, you can flick off all the extra like this here, there. So as you set it, observe. You might have to clear a little bit more of the hole with a, pretty much like that. There you have it. Clearance issue. Actually, the issue I was referring to is, okay, so the clearance scenario is this. Make sure you have enough space to swing past here. Hiya. Okay, let me see something. Where is the other one at? So, two different tweeters you use. It's this size tweeter here, which is a 3-inch tweeter, which can't be used with this right here. Hence here, it's going to hit here, which will mean you'd end up having to cut off half of the metal plate to make it clear this here, or you manipulate this right here. So if you don't have access to the horn style tweeter, you can put this here. You would just go ahead and take off the wing, which is a dual benefit of losing the wing, because if you lose the wing, only way to get the bag off at that point is with a big Allen wrench. So yeah, it can work both ways for you. Also, another thing, when you go ahead and chop your bags as such, you want to make sure you come back in and clean up the insides. You know. Well, I don't have my blade on me, but we're gonna basically clean up the inside of this right here, all the loose burrs. So today is a bag day, so we're gonna go ahead and set this bag up, as you just saw. Then we're gonna go ahead and start doing the setup for all the plastic cuts here. We want to start with a clean surface, so when you go to mark your bags up, you know, you can see what the hell you're doing. So on the previous bag, I really didn't show the beginning. I just put in time lapse. Like as most chefs say, I can give you the recipe, but I can't give you the extra touch of sugar or butter I may use.
Here, everything is regulated by machines.
Okay, day one was going pretty good. I decided to go with a burgundy in here. So, you know, when you open that bag, you'd be like, ooh wee. Like that right there. Yeah, I like that. It's a preset it right now. We're just installing all speakers and stuff. Tomorrow, we'll be doing all the front half and the amplifier. So, you know, the setup continues. My name's Car Stereo. It's doing what we do. Well, we're on one step of it today. I like the color of the bike, so basically I decided, well, the owner said go ahead and do it. So, bam, locked it in with the color, like so, like so. So that's what I'm talking about. When we pop that bag, gonna be like, ooh-wee.
Bene, ieri. Bene, per washing album,